Welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we're going to walk you through how to create your very own YouTube logo using Wepik's intuitive online editor. Now, the first thing you want to do is browse through all the logos available within Wepik. Once you've selected a logo template that you love, simply click on it to open it up in Wepik's online editor. Here's where the real fun begins. You can customize this template however you like. Change the colors, adjust the size, add text, and even insert your own images. The possibilities are endless. Having a unique and well-designed logo is crucial for any YouTube channel. It helps set the tone for your content, creates a memorable brand identity, and can attract more viewers to your channel. Ideally, you should limit yourself to no more than 2 colors, and give them enough contrast to look good on both web and mobile displays. Don't forget to explore all the illustrations and icons available within the editor. These elements can add a touch of personality to your logo and make it stand out from the crowd. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your new logo. And there you have it. A custom YouTube logo created with Wepik's editor. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.